Clear the incrustation. The sling is binding.
Pushing it through now. Confirming path.
Contact in the rear. Hold steady. Okay, it's down. Secure the chains.
This is section of the frame near the strut shows significant fatigue and rust.
Agreed. Get a closer scan on the welding points. Make sure you get that seam right there.
Yeah, I see it. Lots of shells.
All right, lift on 3. 1, 2, 3. Got it. Watch your footing up there.
Maintain current ascent rate. Monitor the cable tension.
Tension holding steady. We have some debris falling on the frame.
Final clamp is loose.
Copy that. Wiring harness secured.
Engine mounts are clear, ready for extraction.
The crack runs exactly 12 inches from the seam. I'm marking the termination point now with the yellow chalk.
Bring her down easy now.
Clear the mounts. Setting it down on the cradle.
Solid copy.
The diameter is exactly as specified.
And the surface roughness is below the threshold. It looks perfect.
Check the bearing clearance on 5.
Looks good. Torquing now.
All right, bring it down slowly. Watch the alignment pins on your side.
Clearance is good. Keep coming down.
Okay, stop. We are seated.
Check the clearance on that inner race. Looks good.
Applying the final torque now.
Okay, easy now. Lower it 5 millimeters
5 millimeters, steady.
and stop. Looks good.
All right, guide the rod in slowly. Watch the seals on the gland.
Copy that.
Coming through now. The alignment is perfect.
Clear on the left. Watch the flange. Got it. Looks good to mount.
Okay, easy on the exhaust pipe. Watch the clearance.
Got it. Check the alignment on page 12 of the manual.
Ready to lower the tank.
Confirmed. Hold alignment on the front bracket.
Torque sequence initiated.
A little to the left. Okay, hold it there. Driving the pin now.
Confirm alignment on the left side. Okay, easy now. Bring it down slowly.
Seated. Start the sequence.
Torque wrench engaged.
Check the upper bolts.
Fuel system primed and holding steady.
Final checklist complete. We are good to go. Listen to that purr.
Unbelievable. Smooth as silk.
We did it.
She's alive again. Incredible work, team.